Hope everyone had a good Christmas. We are still in research mode here, tracking the hypotheticals over the last few days and the market as well. And I have some exciting research that I'm working on and continue to work on for 2023. Hope to release that soon. These are the hypothetical results for today. 200K portfolio plus 1805. Only 3 strategies traded. 50K portfolio 541.50. And we'll go over the trades from last Thursday and Friday as well. You see the market in general. Let's talk about the market first. The market seems like it is in prop-up mode, continues to be in prop-up mode for the last 6 months. It's really extreme. Just continues to try to look better than it really is. And so we've pulled for the bulls to get this bull market, bear market rally and the Santa Claus rally going, but to no avail. This market continues to be very weak and saggy. And you can see the VTNQ is one of the trades today. But in general, the mean reversion for lots of propping up is a crash. And so that doesn't mean we'll get one, but it's as if the market is trying to make sure it doesn't go any lower until the beginning of the new year. And then it's a little scary to me to think about what would happen in the new year. Anything could happen. It's hard to know the intentions of all buyers and sellers, but this market continues to look propped up endlessly to me, and ever since June of this year, June 16th. So it continues to be the mode we're in. One trade on VTNQ. NASDAQ Viper had a couple of good short trades. Tick reversal. This is what I'm talking about. The market goes down and then it just won't go lower for the day. It's propped up, propped up, propped up. Been a repetitive thing I've said over and over again this year. Not a normal distribution for the market to continue to never really have any good distribution days, never really sell off in the afternoon, but never really go higher either. So it's a little puzzling to see all the propping up. So 2 trades on the NASDAQ, stock index portfolio 16 MIT, no trades on the ES. And so once again, these are the results today. Let's look at the results from last week on Thursday and Friday. Thursday and Friday, here is the stock index portfolio 16 MIT plus BLITZ. And it's what we were trading, and we paused because it just spiked down. It's kind of a stop running. We've also paused because the volatility of the daily P&Ls are very high. So working on some adjustments for that. And you can see that drawdown, and you see the bounce back as well. Continue to get this volatility in the equity curve in both directions, and so this is where the stock index portfolio 16 MIT last week, it was up Thursday and Friday. This is what it did on Thursday and Friday on the stock index portfolio 16 MIT, and this is what it did on the stock index portfolio 16. Let's look at this, the stock index portfolio 16. This is the recommended portfolio for January the 1 if we didn't have any updates, and so we are working on updates, but this is the recommended if there were no updates. So what are the results? Thursday and Friday, these are the results. It's working towards equity peaks too. It actually hit equity peaks on Thursday, the stock index portfolio 16, and it held its worst case drawdown. We were trading the MIT, and it did what it did. And so we were trading the stock index portfolio 18, and we had huge gains from that, and we made some adjustments, and so we had huge gains in November, up 49K, and then gave back 32K, and so up 17K in real trading. Just staying with the stock index portfolio 16, which was released on December the 5th, is up 37K over the last 2 months, and so this is the recommended portfolio. I prefer a few more strategies than 16. Historically, we've had more than 16 in our portfolio for diversity, but the massive noise in the market makes it difficult to trade E-minis and also trade more than 16 strategies. So we will have updates on the research that include intraday portfolio stop losses to see where we are on that. It might take some additional time into the new year to complete that research. Also have the SR counter trend portfolio that I want to add to this that I've recently released and emailed. So those are the trades on the day, the latest research as we move towards the new year for 2023. Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies, and coding tips.